Jack has now got an insulin pump fitted. The one he's using is this one here, which is an Omnipod Dash. In the packaging here, we've got the pump itself, which is here, and a syringe and hypodermic in order to pre-fill it with insulin. Once it's filled up and fitted to him, this provides 24-hour basal insulin and also bolus insulin as required when he's eating or for correctional doses. In order to control this, he's got a little device which he takes with him everywhere, which looks like a mobile phone, and to be fair, other than the fact that you can't make calls and text it, it works like a mobile phone. This is keypad locked. On the side of it here, you've got some buttons. The one at the bottom in order to activate the screen, and the one above, which is a volume control, and then it's keypad locked, just from a security point of view, because it's working on Bluetooth. Okay, so now that we're on the home screen, you can see the blue circle in the middle here with a number inside. That's currently at 0. This is worked out on a time calculation and just gives an indication of how much insulin he's got from bolus injections still in his system, which is currently 0. Here you can see his last bolus injection was at 13:19 hours today, and he had 4.2 units. And at that time, his blood glucose level was 12.0. 12.0 is obviously high for him, and that's out with his normal operating range. So that 4.2 units is made up of parts based on the carbohydrates that he ate, and also a correctional dose to get him back within range. So that's his last injection earlier today. So if he was going to eat his evening meal now, we click on the bolus icon at the bottom there, and it takes us into this screen here. So as you can see, we can input his carbohydrates that he's about to eat, his blood glucose level, and then that will work out what bolus injection he requires. So if he's about to eat his tea, and let's say for argument's sake he was having 61.5 grams, automatically that's there working out that in order to cope with that, he would need 3.4 units, and then we'll enter his blood glucose. So we've checked that on his Dexcom, and his blood glucose is currently 9.8. And we can add that to the calculator. So that's working out that he needs 0.6 units correctional dose to get him back at his target, and the 3.4 for the food he's about to eat, which gives a total of 4 units. So then we need to click on confirm. And again, that just gives you the information again, and as from a safety point of view, it takes you to another confirmation screen. So now we need to go to Jack. He needs to be in relatively close range, so we're normally within a metre or two of Jack with the device, and then we press start, and then that will change the screen and start giving you like a loading bar in green of him receiving that insulin dose, and that green bar moves up until it's 100% when he's had that full dose.